Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Thought we start with a zoomed out view and then take a look at this absolute mess that we see here. There's a bit of a corrective mess going on, which I wouldn't really recommend anyone is trading because we're really moving in a very, very deep correction. We're dealing with corrective patterns, and within corrective patterns, we're dealing with more corrective patterns. So you don't want to be caught in that necessarily. The idea is to understand that this here is likely a 5-wave pattern to the upside. And we only have 3 so far, so I'd like to see another 4 and 5. Would really like to see that, because that would give us at least a first confirmation that a lasting low has been established in June. So it seems that we have completed 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, basically in the 4th wave, we are currently moving in a very complex structure. So surely other interpretations are possible, but my primary scenario would be that we are in the 4th wave. Bear in mind, in 4th waves, we can always get overshooting B waves. That's what we've seen. But the support remains at 34.5 cents. Now that's already quite deep for a 4th wave. Generally, I would not prefer the price to break below the 50% retracement. It's at 39 cents. That's the key support zone down there. The other fib levels are a little bit too shallow for a 4th wave in a diagonal, but I still have them on here just because we might see reactions from them at 43.8 cents and 50.7 cents. Bottom line is, I will focus on a 5th wave to the upside as long as the price stays above 34.5 cents. That means we have to give it that space in a diagonal. You see we've reached the top of that price channel. We might easily come down to the lower end of the price channel if Bitcoin, for example, does a deep correction. The possibility is there. Not saying it will, but the possibility is there. So from a risk management point of view, you need to answer that for yourself, what it means for you, your portfolio, your positions, or whatever. Looking at the 1-hour chart then, this is a bit of a mess here. Let me actually take those trend lines out. Don't think we need them anymore. This can take a lot of different ways, okay? So to be honest, the best way to count this for me is to count the 3rd wave top here on the 9th of December. That's the best way to count it for me. Then possibly a wave W to the downside, a high X wave and a Y wave down now. In this scenario, we would be dealing with an A, B, C structure in blue. I'll put that in, or why not in yellow? Yellow is better, you can read it better, I think. So that's one pathway it can take. That's pretty much directly in line with what Ether and Bitcoin could do. Because we've seen an A wave to the downside. This here is a B wave, which might form another smaller ABC in between. Yeah, we've seen now a pullback, or we are seeing a pullback. So that could mean smaller A wave, smaller B wave, smaller C wave. That's absolutely a possibility. Yeah, A wave down and ABC up in wave B, and then a C wave down. So I see that as a likely option in the yellow count. And we would have topped in an X wave, obviously, here. Yeah? And then this Y wave consists of an ABC structure. And what I've just shown you is just a microstructure within the B wave. That's far from predictive. It just tells you a possible roadmap, things to watch out for. So that means we might test again the upper boundary line there of the trend channel, roughly, okay? Or, and that's also possible, we might be moving in a more aggressive high B wave. I mean, Bitcoin, it might be overshooting its B wave, yeah? So ADA could do that as well. And if that's happening, we might be targeting in the C wave there, but it would need to be some kind of an impulse, ideally, you know. We might be targeting sort of 73 cents. Now, with the latest move down here, I think the yellow count looks better. So the yellow count looks better, but that will change probably from hour to hour. We're looking here at the 1-hour chart. These are the 2 scenarios I'm watching right now. It could turn into something different, absolutely could turn into a triangle or something, but that's what I'm following right now. I'll keep you updated. Regardless which one is playing out, the support level is the same. Just be aware that until we really take out the 54-cent level, which is the last swing low, and the previous one here from Wednesday, we cannot rule out a higher B wave in the yellow or white wave count. So yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.